Tuesday, the 30th of January. One more day. And the first month of 2024 is bye-bye. Just another whoosh of a month, right? Where do they go? I don't know. All right, two things we got in. We always get a monthly La Jolla color from Yarn. And this is a fingering weight, 400 yards. And this is February's color. And tell me if that isn't February, I don't know what is. It is all shades of red, rose, pink, even peach, a little deep red, gorgeous. It is $36 a skein. We have 5 skeins. So if you want to make a Valentine sweater, have at it. It'll be great. Perfect. We also got in more magnetic pins. You know how much I love a magnetic pin. These are all $27.95. So let me just show you all these little characters. This is a winged horse. His little wings. And this is his, obviously, he's kicking up, right? Little winged horse in black. I think we might have had one of these before. This is a big old ladybug, all bejeweled. Love a bejeweled. Wouldn't that be pretty? I mean, oh my gosh, you could put that on anything. Anything as a brooch or a shawl pin. The magnets are super tight, you know that. This is sweet, a rose encircled in pearls. Little enamel background. Then we have a turtle with a mother of pearl, a baby turtle sitting on a mama turtle, right? We have an enamel panda bear, I think resting on bamboo with little diamondy things in there. Very colorful, has a moon like that. We have a fan, little pretty fan with the red, orangey red and pearls. For all you cat lovers, a little enameled cat, little tiny enameled black cat. This is another rose. This is like in a, I don't know, a shadow box. It's an owl, a pearl, and a rose. 3-dimensional rose. Do you see that rose? How about that? Crazy. Another turtle, all green, sparkly. 2 different colors of green. Love it. Sweet little bicycle. Right? Not a very big one. Love this. A little French bull. There's got to be some people out there who'll be wanting this French bull. Love the squirrel. He is amazing. He's all glitzy and gold and brown and black. And last but not least, for all you beach lovers, a beautiful sailboat, or lake lovers. Very cool. All right, those are all $27.95. The La Jolla, so pretty. Love it. What's tomorrow? Tomorrow is social knitting. Last day of January, as I said. And the last day for your red envelopes. So if you still have a red envelope, you've got to use it tomorrow, right? So come in or call us, and then you can open it and tell us what you got. But definitely use it by the end of tomorrow. You have until 7 o'clock. All right? Okay, I think that's all I have. I'll see you tomorrow.